In this video we're gonna check if POCO X4 GT has a dual SIM slot. So in order to do this, first we'll need to find the spot where the SD and SIM cards go, and it's right here on the bottom of this device. Now let's take out the needle from the box and stick it in this gap right here, and don't mistake it with this one, as this one is a microphone. So let's plug it on this one. Use a bit of the force to open the gap. Now we can access it. And right here we have a SIM 2 and there's SIM 1. So this phone has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.